Hello, good morning students. Now we have to study next point in this topic, mathematical methods, that is resolution of vector. We have studied that in case of addition of vectors, when two or more vectors are added together, their resultant is a single vector. So if we consider v1, vector v1, vector v2 and vector v3 are added together, its resultant is a single vector. If we consider it is the vector v. Vector v1 plus vector v2 plus vector v3 is equal to vector v. म्हणजे आपण कॉन्व्हर्सली असंही म्हणू शकतो, गिव्हन वेक्टर कॅन बी रिप्रेझेंटेड ॲज सम ऑफ टू और मोर वेक्टर्स in a certain fixed directions. Given vector can be represented as sum of two or more vectors along any certain particular directions. Now vector v is equal to vector v1 plus vector v2 plus vector v3. So these vectors are called as components of this given vector v. Vector v1, vector v2, vector v3, they are called as components of vector v. And these components can also be written in terms of its magnitudes and unit vectors. So if we consider this vector v1 has magnitude v1 and unit vector in its direction is alpha cap. If we multiply magnitude by its unit vector, we get that vector. So vector v1 is v1 into alpha cap. Similarly, if vector v2 has magnitude v2 and unit vector in its direction of v2 is beta cap, vector v2 is equal to v2 into beta cap. Similarly, if gamma cap is the unit vector in direction of this vector v3, this vector v3 can be written as v3 into gamma cap. That means given vector can be written as v1 into alpha cap plus v2 into beta cap plus v3 into gamma cap. That means given vector can be splitted up into any number of components in any particular directions. So the process of splitting up a given vector into its components is called as a resolution. Process of splitting up a given vector into its components is called as a resolution. म्हणजे जसं आपल्याला माहित आहे की व्हाईट लाईट रे हा जर प्रिझमवर इन्सिडेंट केला तर त्याचं स्प्लिटिंग होऊन आपल्याला 7 कलर्स मिळत असतात. म्हणजे एका व्हाईट लाईट रेचा इफेक्ट आणि 7 कलर्सचा रेनबो मधल्या 7 कलर्सचा इफेक्ट हा सेम असतो. म्हणजे व्हाईट लाईट रेचं स्प्लिटिंग 7 कलर्समध्ये होतं. तसं एका वेक्टरचं स्प्लिटिंग जेव्हा नंबर ऑफ वेक्टर्समध्ये होतं, दिस प्रोसेस इज कॉल्ड ॲज अ रिझोल्युशन ऑफ वेक्टर. दॅट मीन्स दिस वेक्टर व्ही इज रिझॉल्व्ड इनटू, हिअर वी हॅव रिझॉल्व्ड दिस वेक्टर व्ही इन टर्म्स ऑफ 3 components, vector v1, vector v2 and vector v3. And if these components can be found in any directions. But if these components are mutually perpendicular to each other, they are called as rectangular components. जे दिलेल्या वेक्टरचे components जेव्हा एकमेकांना परपेंडिक्युलर असतात तेव्हा त्या componentsना rectangular components असं म्हटलं जातं. And now we have to study the resolution of given vector in 2 rectangular components. So for that purpose we have to consider 2-dimensional components of a given vector. So we have to study rectangular components of a given vector in 2 dimensions. So for that purpose we have to consider two-dimensional Cartesian coordinate system which contains 2 axes, x and y. So this has x-axis, this has the y-axis, and origin of coordinate system, that is O. So to resolve any vector into 2 rectangular components, we have to draw that vector which is to be resolved from this origin of coordinates axis, that is from point O. So this arrow OC represents our given vector R in magnitude and direction, and we have to resolve this vector R into rectangular components. So for that purpose, we have drawn this arrow OC from origin of coordinate axis in such a way that this arrow OC represents our given vector R in magnitude and direction. Then from this point C, we have to draw perpendicular on x-axis. Then if this perpendicular meets this x-axis at point A, then this arrow which is drawn from point O to point A, this arrow OA represents component of this given vector R along x-axis, that is vector Rx. Similarly, to draw component along y-axis, from this point C, we have to draw perpendicular on y-axis. From point C, we have to draw perpendicular on y-axis, and if this perpendicular on y-axis meets at point B, then this arrow which is drawn from point O to point B, that is this arrow OB, represents component of this vector R along y-axis, that is vector RY. म्हणजे R या वेक्टरचं रिझोल्युशन एक्स ॲक्सिस आणि वाय ॲक्सिस वर करण्यासाठी from this end point of this vector R, that is point C, we have to draw perpendicular on x-axis. If this perpendicular meets this x-axis at point A, then arrow which is drawn from point O to A, it represents component of this vector R along x-axis. It is represented by vector Rx or Rx bar. Similarly, from this point C, we have to draw perpendicular on y-axis. If this perpendicular meets y-axis at point B, then arrow drawn from point O to point B, that is arrow OB, represents component along y-axis, that is vector Ry or Ry bar. So this Rx bar and Ry bar, or vector Rx and vector Ry, these are the components of this vector R along x and y axis respectively. Then if we consider law of parallelogram, that is from this parallelogram OACB, this OA, that is represents vector Rx, OB represents vector Ry, and this Rx and Ry, these are the two adjacent sides of this parallelogram OACB. Rx and Ry, these are the two adjacent sides of parallelogram. Then diagonal of the parallelogram, that is OC, represents its resultant. म्हणजे law of parallelogram of vectors मध्ये आपल्याला माहित आहे, if two vectors are represented in magnitude and direction by two adjacent sides of the parallelogram, then its diagonal which is drawn from the same common point, this diagonal represents in its resultant vector. So from this diagonal OACB, value of this vector Rx plus vector Ry is equal to vector R. Vector R is equal to vector Rx plus vector Ry. So thus this vector R can be represented in terms of its components, vector Rx plus vector Ry, or component Rx plus component Ry is equal to given vector R. Then this vector Rx or component Rx can also be represented in terms of its unit vectors. Rx bar or vector Rx is in the direction of x-axis, and unit vector in the direction of x-axis is I cap, and hence this Rx bar can also be written as आर एक्स इंटू आय कॅप. युनिट व्हेक्टरला त्याच्या मॅग्निट्यूडनं मल्टिप्लाय केलं की दिलेला व्हेक्टर मिळतो. सो व्हेक्टर आर एक्स कॅन ऑल्सो रिटर्न ॲज its magnitude Rx into I cap. Similarly, Ry bar or vector Ry is along positive direction of y-axis and unit vector in the direction of y-axis is j cap, and hence this vector Ry can also be written as Ry into j cap. So vector R can be represented as Rx I cap plus Ry j cap in terms of its components and unit vectors. Vector R is equal to Rx I cap plus Ry j cap. Similarly, if we consider theta is the angle made by this given vector R in along positive direction of x-axis, then value of cos theta, if this side is Ry, this side is also Ry, then value of cos theta will be Rx divided by R. Cos theta is Rx divided by R, and hence Rx is equal to R cos theta. Similarly, sin theta will be sin theta will be Ry divided by R, and hence Ry is equal to R sin theta. Rx is equal to R cos theta, Ry is equal to R sin theta. Squaring and adding these two equations. स्क्वेअरिंग अँड ॲडिंग केलं, ह्याचा स्क्वेअर केला आर एक्स स्क्वेअर, ह्याचा स्क्वेअर केला आर वाय स्क्वेअर आणि दोन्हीची ॲडिशन. तर आर एक्स स्क्वेअर प्लस आर वाय स्क्वेअरची किंमत काय येईल? आर एक्स स्क्वेअरची किंमत आर स्क्वेअर कॉस स्क्वेअर थीटा प्लस आर वाय स्क्वेअरची किंमत आर स्क्वेअर साइन स्क्वेअर थीटा. दोन्ही मधून आर स्क्वेअर कॉमन काढला, ब्रॅकेटमध्ये राहील कॉस स्क्वेअर थीटा प्लस साइन स्क्वेअर थीटा, की ज्याची व्हॅल्यू असते 1. सो आर स्क्वेअर इज इक्वल टू आर एक्स स्क्वेअर प्लस आर वाय स्क्वेअर. इट मीन्स दॅट आर इज इक्वल टू स्क्वेअर रूट ऑफ आर एक्स स्क्वेअर प्लस आर वाय स्क्वेअर, and this equation gives the magnitude of given vector R in terms of its components. R is equal to square root of Rx square plus Ry square. This equation gives the magnitude of given vector in terms of its components. Similarly, from these two equations, if we take value of tan theta, tan theta is sin theta divided by cos theta. या इक्वेशनला या इक्वेशनला डिवाइड केलं, वी विल गेट दिस आर अँड आर विल गेट कॅन्सल, वी विल गेट tan theta will be equal to Ry divided by Rx, and theta will be equal to tan inverse of Ry divided by Rx, and this equation gives the direction of given vector R. थीटा म्हणजे काय आहे तर दिलेल्या वेक्टरनं एक्स ॲक्सिसशी केलेला अँगल आहे, आणि हा अँगल जर माहीत असेल तर हा वेक्टर कोणत्या डायरेक्शनमध्ये आहे हे आपल्याला थीटावरून फाइंड आउट करता येतं. आणि म्हणून मग दिस थीटा इज इक्वल टू टॅन इनवर्स ऑफ आर वाय अपॉन आर एक्स. इट रिप्रेझेंट्स द डायरेक्शन ऑफ गिवन वेक्टर इन टर्म्स ऑफ इट्स कॉम्पोनंट. म्हणजे या इक्वेशनने आपल्याला मॅग्निट्यूड मिळतं दिलेल्या वेक्टरचं, या इक्वेशननी दिलेल्या वेक्टरची डायरेक्शन फाइंड आउट करता येते. नंतर जर समजा आपण दिलेल्या वेक्टरचे 3 रेक्टँग्युलर कॉम्पोनंट्स काढायचे असतील, म्हणजे दिलेला वेक्टर आर हा असेल, three rectangular component, one along x axis, other along y axis, third along z axis. तर Rx, Ry, Rz, these are the components of vector along x, y and z. Then the given vector R can be represented in terms of its component as vector R is equal to vector Rx or component Rx plus component Ry plus component Rz. And in terms of unit vector, it can be represented as R is equal to vector R is equal to Rx I cap plus Ry j cap plus Rz k cap. आणि दिलेल्या वेक्टरच्या कॉम्पोनंट वरून जर आपल्याला त्याचं मॅग्निट्यूड काढायचं असेल थ्री कॉम्पोनंट्स वरून, तर काय असेल? R विल बी इक्वल टू स्क्वेअर रूट ऑफ Rx स्क्वेअर plus Ry square plus Rz square. This is about the three rectangular components of given vector. तीन componentsच्या फॉर्म मध्ये दिलेला वेक्टर या पद्धतीने लिहायचा. वेक्टर R is equal to Rx I cap plus Ry j cap plus Rz k cap. Its magnitude is square root of Rx square plus Ry square plus Rz square. If we consider any two vectors are equal vectors, that is vector A is equal to vector B, then vector A can be represented in terms of its components as Ax I cap plus Ay j cap plus Az k cap. Similarly, this vector B can be represented in terms of its component as Bx I cap plus By j cap plus Bz k cap. Then if these two vectors are equal A and B, then their corresponding components are also equal, that is value of Ax is equal to Bx. Similarly, y components are also equal, that is Ay is equal to By, and z components are also equal, that is Az is equal to Bz. That means if two vectors are equal, their corresponding components are also equal. So this is about the resolution of vector, that is process of splitting up a given vector into its components is called as resolution. Thank you.